Hi, my name is Uchechi Okeke. I'm from Imo State and I'm a mother of three beautiful children. I heard of this event from Twitter when Impa actually tweeted about it. And being a person that loves culture, I love Igbo a lot. And I chatted him and like, I would like to be part of the team. And I'm glad I sent him that chat. Okay, so my role, I was part of the social media team. So we're those that were tweeting on it. We were tweeting, and I was also part of the team on Instagram. And also, I was part of the vendor team. Like we were part of people that coordinated the vendor, and we were always going to that. One major role I played was going to the venue to pray. That was actually what I love because that was we hosted this event raining season. Do you know what that means? Oh my god. But when we prayed and Lord answered, I love it. I love it. One of the challenges we faced here was first, this is actually a virgin event. This is the first time this is ever happening. So, first of all, I want to say the committee, we are actually good people. Like, there is no one that is stubborn in the team. So, when you ask anybody to do something, we are actually working together. So, one of the challenges we faced being part of the team for social media was there was actually a threat online. So, we had to look for ways to make people know that this event, the security is actually sealed. We have to look for ways to convince people. We have to look for ways to make them know that there will be a lot of soldiers, so many people that are going to guard the event. And we have to, like, posting every time. The fact that I had a job was not very easy, but I take out my break time to go and start tweeting, start posting Instagram. I ensure that we post a lot of content. It was actually challenging, being the fact that I have a 9 to 5, I have a family, and because we want to have a successful event, doing all this was actually a lot. But thank God it went well, and I'm glad. First of all, I want to thank God. Hey, that morning it rained in some parts of Lagos, but our venue it did not rain. So I want to thank God that God held the weather for us. The weather was clement. I want to thank God that this event was a success. I want to thank all the sponsors, everyone. I just want to thank everyone that when they heard us call and they bought tickets, we are glad. I'm so glad. I'm so glad to be part of this thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.